pudding?
BabyDoli. Click the subscribe button. Hi friends, let's make yummy fruit juice and eat yummy meal together. Let's ring the bell. Yay, let's go inside friends. Let's go to the refrigerator and get a strawberry, banana, and a grape. Yay! Close the refrigerator. Let's cut the fruits one by one and put it in the basket. All done. Let's put the cut fruits in the grinder. Let's push the button. Yay! Let's pour the juice in the cup. Let's go to the refrigerator again. We are going to need fish. Let's put the fish in the pan and turn on the heat. Let's grab a spoon and flip the fish. All done. Let's put it on the plate. Boogie, here is your meal. Enjoy! Let's go to the vending machine and drink milk too. So yummy! I'm so full now. I should drink milk too. Yum! Let's eat the meal. Delicious! Let's pour the milk in the cup and drink it. Yummy! That was so good! Let's go outside and play, friends. Let's go to the playground. Yay! Hi friends, let's make sweet lollipop and yummy ice creams together. Yay, we are so excited! Let's start! Let's open the ice cream maker box. I brought all the items and tools that we need for today. Yay, let's take everything out from the cart. Let's take out the yellow dough and squeeze. Let's put it in the candy maker. Let's put the stick on and press. Yay! We made lemon lollipop. Awesome! Let's make another one. Press. Wow, so cool! It's a shape of a flower. Nice! Let's make green apple flavor lollipop. Yay, a diamond shape! So pretty! A chocolate flavor. It's a shape of a heart. Nice! Here is a lollipop for you, Tubi. Yum! Let's make ice creams now. It looks so good. Squeeze and stretch. Let's put the dough in the icing pipe. Push. Yay, so cool! It's a star shape. Let's put the topping on the ice cream. Wow, nice! Let's eat it! So delicious! I love eating ice cream. Let's make another ice cream. Let's put it on the cone. Yay! Friends, do you like ice creams? Make sure to subscribe and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!